Hi, my friends. Welcome to a new study on Professional Eagle channel today. I'm going to introduce you to the second metal detector, and we're going to use the gold metal. We're also going to use iron and electric caustic. First, we're going to turn on the device and test it to make sure it works. And first we are going to look at the iron. And then we are going to look at the gold pieces, and also the electric caustic as well. You see, when the caustic nears the copper file, there's a change in the sound. And here we're going to use magnets to increase the sensitivity of the file. Notice that there's some change in the sound, and we are using the gold, and we are passing it over the file. And you see there's a distinct change in the sound. And here I'd like to say, if you can develop this device, what it needs to become stronger. This is an experiment that I created, and I love to share with you. In this very simple machine, Tamer 55 was used, but here I had a problem, the sensitivity distance in. The device is a very, very short distance. If I would like everyone to write in the comments section about what you think about this device, and if there is any idea to develop it, I would be grateful to you all. I hope that the video has won your admiration, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel, activate the bell, and share the video with your friends, until another meeting, which will last in health and good. My greetings to you all.